way we walk around like we own this place, like we own this place. We walk around like we own this place, like we own this place.
Yo, what is going on, everybody? Koalaz here. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to get a really clean looking stream layout on Twitch 2018. So the very first thing you're going to want to do is go ahead and open Google Chrome or any browser of your choice. Once it is open, you're going to want to go to obsproject.com. I can't spell, forgive me. Either you can type it in a new tab, or you can just click the link in the description for this website. Once it is done downloading, go ahead and install it. Once it is installed, go ahead and open it up. So when you first open it up, it's going to look something like this. It's just going to have one scene, no sources at all. This is normal. So the scene right here, I'm going to rename this to just put a game, I guess, I don't know. For the sources, just go ahead and hit this little plus and then go up to display capture. I'm just going to name it game. Oh, it's not already in use. That will not happen to you. So just go ahead and name whatever you want. Select what monitor, and boom, there you are. Now you could theoretically just do it like this, but I would not recommend doing it like this. So the next thing that we're going to do is go ahead and hit this little plus, then hit video capture device. This is for if you have a webcam. This is not needed. Just name it camera, and then pick your camera. Boom, there's me. It's gonna take it, shrink it down in the bottom left, keep it right there for now, but I'm just gonna shut it off. Okay, so now if you want to have on-screen alerts, chat, and just some other accessories, this next part is for you. If you do not want this stuff, but it is highly recommended, then look in the description and it will have a time card to the next topic. Go ahead and open Google Chrome, and then go to Streamlabs. I can't type. Go to Streamlabs. I can't type. Oh my God, this is actually Streamlabs.com, and then hit log in with Twitch. Once it loads, you're gonna have these options right here. I have them all on, just because you know I'm a small streamer and I don't have a lot of people into my stream, so anything that happens I have an alert for it. But you can customize them. You can add a image, add a sound. I just have Kappa wink gif and the default sound. For subscriptions, I didn't change anything because I never get anything. Donations, I changed that. You can also add different variations, but I wouldn't recommend doing that. Once you have everything set, hit this little copy button right up here. Widget URL copied. Go back into OBS Studio. Hit this little plus again. Browser source, and then name it alerts. And then the URL, just put it in there. Do not give this link to anybody else though. I don't recommend it. FPS, you can change it to whatever you want. I'm just going to keep it at 30 though. Right click on it, transform, center to screen. You do not have to have it in the center, but I like it in the center because it just looks more clean. To test it, just hit test follow. And there it is. So now the next thing I'm going to be showing you guys is the event list. Basically what the event list is if somebody followed, it'll say that this person has followed up in the top left. It's just playing some stuff right now, but you can change to whatever you want. I have mine as slick. You can change it to a carbon theme, whatever that name is, crisscross. I just have mine slick just because it looks better. Enabled events, I have all of them on most of the time except for auto hosts. Minimum number to hosts, you can set that to like 12. It doesn't really matter. I don't change any of this just because I'm a small streamer. Go ahead and hit copy again. Go back into OBS Studio plus a browser source. Name it event list. There you go. Put the URL in again. I changed my FPS on this one down to 20. I changed my FPS on a lot of stuff that doesn't move a lot, so it doesn't take up as much CPU. But then you can move it to wherever you want. Just have it up in the top left. This next thing I'm going to be showing you guys is called the jar. This is a bit jar for donations, subs, follows, cheers, resubs and stuff. You can choose any one of these cups to have stuff fall into. I personally use these two or that one right there. So you can use all that, hit copy, go into OBS Studio again, plus browser source, name it jar, put it again. I changed my FPS on this one down to 10 just because the jar doesn't move a lot, but I like to have my camera on, and then I move the jar right next to my camera, boom, just like that. The next one I'm going to be showing you guys is the chat box. This chat box is self-explanatory. Include your channel's chat into your stream. Make it look pretty while you're at it. I just keep mine like Twitch. You can change the theme to whatever you want. Chunky, old school, it'll be all pixely. Twitch, just normal. Boxed, it'll be in boxes. You can change some of the box colors, I think, too, somewhere. And then clean, like that. I recommend using Twitch because they're all aligned on the very left side. Copy. Go into OBS, browser source again, name it chat. A lot of this stuff is going to be browser source based. And then the width, I have that one at 600, and the height, I have it at 400. So it's just a small box, it's not too big. I also have mine right above my camera, just like that. You can obviously change the width of it, so just right now, say like 200. That'll be a really small chat box with maybe like 350. Boom. You can also stretch it out with holding shift, but then everything will look all disordered. Okay, now this next part is 100% optional. So there will be a link in the description for these Google Drive images. These are images for a header, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, 2 webcam overlays, and YouTube. So just go ahead, right click on this one and hit download. Go into OBS Studio, hit add image, and just name this header, browse, find your header. There, it'll be all set up like this. But see, the problem with this one is that if you want to add text on this header, it's going to take up a lot of room on the sources panel. So what I like to do is I remove the header for now, and I go ahead and open up Photoshop. Save it as a PNG file, otherwise it will not be transparent on this bottom. Once it is saved, go into OBS Studio, add an image, header, can't spell but browse, find your thing, boom, there it is. There's your beautiful header. You can make the event list just under it. I also left a webcam image. So let's add a webcam image 4.3 cam, webcam 4-3. Boom, there it is. Bring it down to wherever you want. Enlarge it. Open up your camera. And then just set it the way you want. That looks a little bit too stretched out, so you can take the webcam overlay and then actually stretch it in. Take the camera, stretch it in, boom, now it looks a little bit more normal now. The next thing I'm going to be showing you guys is the panels for your Twitch. So you're just going to go ahead and want to click the link in the description again for nerdordie.com. I do not use this website, but it's a very good website. It's very clean, very simplistic. Left side color, change it to whatever you want. I'm going to change it to purple because I like purple. Right side color, just make that 100% black if you want. The panel text, I'm just gonna name it about me. Boom. Text size, make that 60. Vertical alignment. Keep it at around 35 to 40 again. Anything above that will just look kind of weird. Like if you have it like this, you know, keep it at about 40. You can also change the icon on the left. So if you want to change it to chat, controller, extra life, boom. I'm just gonna have the nerd or die symbol because nerd or die is pretty cool. It'll automatically add a shadow too. Name the file about me. Oops. About me. Name whatever you want, and then hit the download button, and it'll download. Once you were on your Twitch, by the way, follow me. Once you're on your Twitch, you're gonna want to go down and then hit Edit Panels. Click the little slidey thing. Go all the way down, and then hit this little plus sign. Add a text or image panel. Add image. About me, just drag it right onto there. You're gonna have to cut it a little bit. I don't think you have to, but I do just to be sure. And then description, just put I cool guy, lol, pog, champ, whatever you want. Then hit submit. Do not forget to hit submit. Go up and then hit the little check again. Scroll down. Boom! There it is. How neato is that? Also to test your chat, just hit test. Go back into it. Boom! It's right there. Nightbot, which is a Twitch bot channel, or it's a Twitch bot, I should just say. So just click the link in the description for Nightbot. It'll be here. This bot can do such things like commands. It can time out people that use inappropriate words, block links. It can pretty much do everything that you would ever need on Twitch. But for the commands, just go to commands, hit custom, excuse me, add a command. My command is just going to be test, and then the message is going to be test for video with :D. You can change the user level, so if like a moderator wants to use it, they're the only ones that can use it. Subscriber, it's kind of stupid to have it as subscriber, but you know, make it everyone. Cooldown, I don't change that. Hit submit, and then go into your Twitch, type in /mod Nightbot, and then it'll say Nightbot has been added as a moderator. Then just do the command test for video :D. There you go. The very last thing I'm going to show you guys is if you have a green screen like mine and you want to chroma key it out. So just align yourself the way you want it. Go on your camera, right click, hit properties. Never mind. Right click, hit filters, effect filters, right click, add, chroma key, boom. It's gonna automatically pick green, but I choose magenta, and then I hit custom. And then hit pick screen color, and then pick the green, boom. And you're gonna have to adjust some stuff a little bit, as you can see, but yeah, looks pretty good like this. I want to remove the webcam thing, and then make it a little bit bigger, so you do not just have whatever you want behind it. Never mind, I lied again. That is not the last thing. The last thing is going up to File, Settings. Once you're in there, go to Stream, Twitch, get your stream key by going into your Twitch dashboard, go onto the settings on the very left side, go down to Stream Preferences, and then hit Stream Key, Show Key. Do not give it to anybody else. Output, I have my video bitrate at 2500. You can change it. The max I think Twitch allows is 3000, so I'm barely cutting the edge. Software, or the MIDI encoder, I keep it as software. Audio bitrate, I have mine at 144. Recording format, MP4, just in case if you ever record a video during stream. For audio, you can change that however you want. Frame rate, I keep mine at 60 because my computer can handle it. If your computer cannot, I'd recommend going back down to 30 or even 48, because 48 kind of looks like 60 frames a little bit. But yeah, thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. please leave a like, comment, subscribe if you enjoyed this video. I might do an updated tutorial on YouTube if you guys want me to do that, on how to YouTube stream. But yeah, thank you guys for watching, and peace out.